Students, today I am going to teach you how to locate irrational number on number line. Okay, so question will not come at a time like draw root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 number line. This will come individual, like only to locate root 2 or locate root 5, like that. I have given this question for practice to locate this all irrational numbers. So first of all, you know the draw like natural number or rational number. Suppose you can draw 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 will come between the 0 and 1. Suppose here 3 by 2 like between the 1 and 2, between the here. But how you will draw the root 2, root 3, root 5, etc. So this is very difficult to locate root 2, root 3, root 5, etc. But I will teach you, then you will can easily understood. As you know from the Pythagoras theorem, when base is 1 mm, base is 1 mm, perpendicular is also 1 mm, then hypotenuse will become root 2. Okay, so 1 square plus 1 square, b square plus b square means 1 square plus 1 square, so 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2. So here hypotenuse become root 2. Similarly, if I take base is root 2 and perpendicular is 1 mm, then this become root 3, and same way go ahead. So first of all, I will teach you how will you draw root 2. So first you will take a line xy and you draw like 0, 1, 2. I have taken this in the inch. From 0 to 1, here is 1 inch. This is 2 inch, 3 inch. So this will easy to draw a circle, etc. So I have taken 0 to A to B is 1 unit, and I have drawn here a perpendicular at point 1 unit, and I have cut out this from here 1 unit. Okay, I have cut here 1 unit. This is a 1 inch. This is also I have taken 1 inch, 1 unit. So here is 1, base is 1, hypotenuse is 1, sorry, perpendicular is 1, then automatically this hypotenuse will become root 2. Okay, so I have taken here 1 unit and meet point A to C. So here AC is root 2. Okay, here AC is root 2, and when you will draw from here like that, from this point on number line like this, so this cut here at D point. So this AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD. So AC is equal to AD is equal to root 2. This way I will show here a arrow, and so this point D is root 2. So I have written AD is equal to root 2. So this is completed to locate root 2 on number line. Okay.